Hello guys, today I'm blind ranking Italian brain rot. Trippy troppy, bro, that bro fat. Nah, let's put him at 8. Frigo Camilo. Bro, I love food, and if I see right, that's a fridge. 5. Tralalelo tralala. You see, I love his name, but his meaning of his name is not that good. If you know, go search it up. Boneca Ambululu. Who is that? I've never heard of him. 9. Sivo Bombardio. You see, this is a hard choice because I don't think he's better than Frigo Camilo. 7. Trippy Troppy. I don't know. I don't think he's better than Frigo Camilo, so let's put him at 6, just to be sure. Tromorello Cocorello, what is that name? I've never heard of him, but I guess I have to put him at 4. Cupacino Assassino. Ooh, he's one of my personal favorites. I think I have to save the number 1 spot, so let's put him at 2. Tung 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 Sahur, my favorite by far. 1. Ballerina Cappuccina. Okay. Yeah, I'm fine with this list. Let me know if you would change it.